Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a Christmas in July card. This card is going to be a winter theme, and I made this card with scraps to make the background of my card, and I'm using a 4¼ by 5½ base with matching envelope. And I use a die to cut the word Merry Christmas on a pearlized paper, and I cut a bunch of strips of paper with this icy blue glittery paper and some white glittery paper, as well as this winter theme cardstock as well. So I cut a bunch of little strips that I'm going to glue to a background, which is 4¼ by 5½, and then I'm gonna trim the excess and then put it on my card base. And right now I'm just arranging everything to see how it would look, and then I'm going to just glue everything. This is going to be a simple card, and the background is going to be the star here. And you can make this with any types of paper scraps that you have. You just have to cut the little strips, and you can basically make any patterns that you will like. The strips are 1/2 inch each, and I'm also going to be adding a little jewel towards the end. And to my envelope, I'm going to be adding a little snowflake to the front and the back, because I usually like to finish up my envelopes with a little something extra. So now I'm just gonna play some Christmas music. I know it's July, but I'm gonna play some Christmas music, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Now that I finished gluing all the strips, I'm going to let it dry for a little while, and then I'm going to trim the edges, and then I'm going to adhere it to my card base. And I'm also going to add the Merry Christmas and the jewel. And also I'm going to be adding the little extra snowflake to my envelope, and I die cut the snowflake using a Crafter's Companion die, and the Merry Christmas is also a Crafter's Companion Merry Christmas die. here I trimmed the background slightly smaller than my the size of my card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, because I wanted to leave a little bit of white around my card. So here is the final card with a matching envelope. I think it turned out quite nice. It's very sparkly but simple at the same time. There's a little snowflake on the envelope, and I think it looks really cute. So you can definitely replicate this with any papers that you have. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video brought you a little happiness in the middle of all the things that are happening. And I'll be creating another Christmas in July card, and I'll post that at the end of the month. So I'm posting this at the beginning of the month and the other one at the end of the month. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.